choosing the right flexible solar panel can be confusing. Low efficiency, fragile build quality, slow charging, and poor weather resistance often ruin the experience. Flexible solar panels solve many of these issues by offering lightweight design, easy installation, and better portability for outdoor use. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best flexible solar panels of 2026 for camping, boats, cars, and off-grid systems. These models are selected based on performance, durability, and real user feedback. Let's get started. Number 5. WUZECK 18-volt 50-watt flexible solar panel kit. The WUZECK 18-volt 50-watt flexible solar panel kit is a compact and budget-friendly option for small power needs. It works well for 12-volt and 24-volt battery charging, making it suitable for cars, boats, and basic camping setups. The flexible design allows it to be installed on curved surfaces like RV roofs or tents. It offers decent efficiency for its size and is lightweight enough for easy transport. While not meant for heavy power loads, it's perfect for backup charging, small devices, and emergency outdoor use. Number 4. CTOLITY Flexible 100-Watt Solar Panel. The CTOLITY Flexible 100-Watt Solar Panel is designed for users who need more stable and higher output power. With support for around 20.5-volt output and up to 200-watt configurations in kit setups, it is ideal for power stations and home backup systems. Its flexible build makes installation easy on uneven surfaces like RVs or boats. It provides strong sunlight absorption and consistent charging performance. Weather-resistant construction adds durability, making it suitable for long-term outdoor use, especially for off-grid energy systems. Number 3. DOKIO Flexible Foldable Solar Panel. The DOKIO Flexible Foldable Solar Panel is a travel-friendly solution designed for portability and convenience. It supports multiple power ranges, from 80 watts up to 295 watts, depending on the kit version, making it suitable for phones, camping gear, and small battery systems. The panel is lightweight and easy to carry, with a foldable design that fits into backpacks or vehicle storage. It works efficiently under sunlight and provides stable charging for 12-volt systems. Ideal for travelers, campers, and boat users who need flexible off-grid power anywhere. Number 2. Xinpuguang 100-Watt Flexible Solar Panel. The Xinpuguang 100-Watt Flexible Solar Panel is known for its high efficiency and strong build quality. It features IP68 waterproof protection, making it resistant to rain, dust, and harsh outdoor conditions. Designed for off-grid systems, it supports reliable charging for batteries, RVs, and solar setups. Its flexible structure allows installation on curved surfaces without affecting performance. The panel delivers stable energy output and long-term durability, making it a solid choice for users who want dependable solar power for outdoor or remote applications. Number 1. DGSUNLIGHT Solar Panel Kit. The DGSUNLIGHT Solar Panel Kit is the most powerful and versatile option in this list, offering flexible panels in 100-watt, 200-watt, and 300-watt configurations. It supports both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, making it suitable for home backup, RVs, boats, and off-grid living. The high-efficiency cells ensure strong power output even in moderate sunlight. Its flexible and lightweight design allows easy installation on curved surfaces. Built for durability and performance, this kit is ideal for users who need reliable and scalable solar energy solutions.
Flexible solar panels are a smart choice for portable and off-grid power needs. From small 50-watt kits to powerful 300-watt systems, these options offer flexibility, durability, and efficiency. Whether for camping, RVs, or home backup, there's a perfect panel for everyone. Which one do you like most?